Hi everybody, this is Scott from High Valley Woodworks in Prairie City, Oregon. I want to show you a new line of items we're making. These are dog leash racks, and I'll just give you a shot here. What they are is they are reclaimed alder, and they have an antique doorknob mounted to them, which the leash goes right over the top. It'll hold it forever. Has these nice hooks that can hold big leashes, and also they're narrow enough to hold, small clips and stuff for the other ends. We've got a nice groove set in them. They have nice stains, and they're pretty tough. And they come with a set of kind of skeleton keyhole hooks, mounting on the back. I have different kinds. I have a lot of glass ones. Here's a porcelain one, some bigger octagonal ones, little one. There's a little Art Nouveau one. Brass one. My cat's meowing over there. Oh, now there's the cat. And this baby with the cast bronze plate. It's a waffle, pretty rare knob. Anyway, some of them have, you'll see this kind of whitewash finish to them. The rest of them are pretty natural. But anyway, they're nice and compact. They'll sit, you can either mount them to the back of your door, or you can mount them right next to the door. And every time you go out, grab the leash. No more searching for leashes. HighValleyWoodworks.com. And that's it. Thank you very much.